So you've had an accident and you need some body repairs done. You've obviously called in and made your appointment with us. So I'm going to walk you through and let you know how this all gets done, so you're at ease when you come into our shop. So once you've come into the front office and you've signed in, they will designate you to a certain estimator. For example, if they designate you to me, I will walk you out to your vehicle, ask you for your keys. That is purely so I can get the picture of the VIN and the ODO. That is for insurance purposes. I will then walk around the vehicle with you so that you can point out where the accident damage is. I will then take some photos. So for insurance purposes, we take pictures of all four corners of the vehicle. For safety, I will always take of the front, and of the license plate. Then I will move to the interior of the vehicle. This is why I need your keys, to gain access to the VIN and to the ODO. Once that is done, we will proceed back into the office and I will write your estimate for you. I will then go over the estimate with you in detail, explaining to you what the terminology means, so that you're understanding of what happens once you leave. And then we will schedule you in for your appointment for the repairs, get the parts ordered up for you. You'll bring the vehicle in and we'll take care of everything from there for you. So once you come in and we do the estimate for you, an estimate roughly takes between 20 and 45 minutes. Most of the time 30, just depending on how many damages are on the vehicle. If we're doing just the front, about 30 minutes. If we've got two areas to deal with, a little bit longer. But we do try and get you in and out as fast as we can. So our goal here at Roosevelt Auto Body Collision 1 is to get you back in your car as soon as possible, and that it looks like it never happened before, and that you're happy when you leave here. Thank you for choosing Collision 1, Roosevelt Auto Body.
Collision 1. Auto body like it never happened.